Despite their size, these elephants are charmingly gentle, forming close-knit families that exhibit deep emotions. These creatures are short of genius, and are honestly quite adorable as well. But beyond what is visible, elephants hold a secret. This secret can travel many miles, actually. They communicate using infrasonic sounds, imperceptible to the human ear, a rumble that travels miles, an echo of companionship in the wilderness. These sounds help them keep in touch over distances as large as 10 kilometers. These silent calls are impeccable to how elephants communicate. These creatures are, without a doubt, absolutely amazing.